This desert is nearly devoid of human life, making it one of the least habitable locations on Earth. Here, however, an engineering masterpiece of the highest caliber is being built. The largest telescope in the world is being built atop a mountain 10,000 feet above sea level in the center of Chile's Atacama Desert. We will be able to view far-off planets in our cosmos 5,200 times closer than we could with the naked eye once this telescope is finished, standing 40% taller than the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Compared to the Hubble Space Telescope, its photos will be 15 times crisper. It is truly a wonder that the world's largest telescope was constructed in one of the driest places on the planet. There are parts of the Atacama Desert that have never seen rain in history, making it the driest region on Earth, second only to Antarctica. By looking back in time, this telescope will be able to study the universe's first planets, stars, and galaxies. Additionally, it will aid scientists in their quest for worlds that resemble Earth. Building a football field-sized dome in the Atacama Desert's highlands presents enormous problems for both construction teams and scientists. XYZ Media is pleased to present this amazing tale to you. The Atacama Desert, which spans 1,000 kilometers in Chile, is situated on the Pacific coast of South America. Known as one of the driest locations on the planet, it displays some of nature's most striking and distinctive features, such as salt flats, volcanoes, and the uncommon occurrence of continuous fog. But water, the one element necessary for life, is not present here. There are parts of the Atacama that have never experienced rain. Because of its alien-like scenery, the European Space Agency used it to test its Mars rovers. On top of a 10,000-foot mountain, a groundbreaking project is being built around 130 kilometers from the closest town and 1,300 kilometers from Santiago, the capital of Chile. Here, the extremely large telescope, ELT, so named because of its enormous size, is being built by the European Southern Observatory, ESO. With its enormous 39-meter mirror, the ELT will be 4 times bigger than the biggest telescopes in use today. This mirror will be housed in a steel dome that weighs 6,000 tons, or around 2,400 pickup trucks, and will collect 100 million times more light than the human eye. The Statue of Liberty or an entire football field might fit inside the dome. Leveling the rocky mountain top to make a level space the size of 7 football fields was one of the biggest obstacles. Because of this, 47 million cubic meters of earth, enough to fill 1,911 Olympic-sized swimming pools, had to be removed using explosives. In order to provide a strong foundation, the engineers used vibration techniques to stabilize the sinkholes caused by the loose rocks and dirt. The dome of the telescope is built to withstand earthquakes, which are common in this seismically active area. To prevent vibrations from damaging the telescope's fragile components, hydraulic shock absorbers isolate the foundation from the dome. Light from far-off astronomical objects is collected and focused by the ELT's 39-meter mirror, which is made up of 798 smaller parts. Sharp and detailed images will be produced via the telescope's real-time correction of atmospheric distortions using adaptive optics and strong lasers. Scientists will be able to directly photograph exoplanets and examine their atmospheres for oxygen, carbon dioxide, or water, signatures of life. We will also be able to look back in time thanks to the ELT. Seeing far-off stars and galaxies is like seeing into the past since light travels in a set length of time. For example, light from 13.4 billion years ago, at the beginning of the universe, can be seen with the Hubble Space Telescope. The cosmos as it existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang will be captured by the ELT's enormous mirror, which will let it to view far farther, up to 13.5 billion years ago. By 2029, the ELT, which is projected to cost $1.6 billion, should be operating. When finished, it will contribute to the resolution of one of humanity's most important questions: is life on far-off Earth-like planets, or are we the only ones in the universe? We appreciate your participation in our exploration of this amazing project. Remember to like, share, and comment with your opinions. We hope to see you in our upcoming exciting video.